Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you again to an interesting hairstyling video tutorial where we are going to learn some unique and interesting hairstyles that is going to adorn you. Here we are going to take the partitions in the hair and then roll your hair further in this manner and then attach it in this way. Again you need to just secure your hair and get a beautiful pattern like this. You have to repeat the same procedure in the manner and then make a pattern like this. You need to repeat the same procedure, keep on making the same pattern and get it arranged in this manner in the same way as we are doing here. Beautiful enough, isn't it? Further, take the partition and again just roll it further, and now you need to secure it in this manner. Further, you have to get a beautiful shape like this. Make a pleat and then arrange it in a crisscross pattern like this. Proceeding further, again you need to get a beautiful shape like patterns like this, and then with the help of decorative clutches, what you need to do, you need to just secure them further. Repeat the same procedure and get a bouncy looking bun in this manner. Pretty cool, isn't it? Now make thin pleats like this as a partition and now secure your hair further in this manner. Get it rolled in this way. Now what we need to do, just take the hair partitions, get a beautiful lovely pleat like this and then just roll it into the form of a beautiful bun and secure it further. Keep on proceeding in this manner. Again you need to just roll your hair and then get the pleats like this, make a bun and then you need to cover it in this form and get a beautiful side bun. Now are you excited to see what are we going to dig into? Keep on proceeding in this form. Again you need to just roll your hair and get it attached further in this way. And now you need to get a messy look in this manner by getting the hair out and just roll your hair and get it attached further in this manner. Now roll your hair from the sidewards and then arrange it in this form. You have to repeat the same procedure and now you need to just make a beautiful and thick bun like this. Again take the partitions and roll your hair in this manner. Get it attached further in this way and now what you need to do, you need to just secure it further like this. Make a beautiful pattern in this manner. And now you need to secure it further and it is gonna look super interesting. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now what we are going to do, you again have to take the hairs out to get a beautiful messy looking hairstyle. And now you need to just secure it further, get it rolled and arranged further in this manner. Isn't it looking super cool? Now what we are going to do here also, you need to just secure your hair in this manner. Take the thin partitions and make it look like this. Arrange it and interlock your hair further and get it attached. Again take the partitions and then enroll your hair further in this manner and then arrange it further in this form. You need to repeat the same procedure one over the other and now you need to secure it further. What we are going to do now here, you need to just make a thick pleat like this and then get it arranged in this way. Isn't it looking pretty cool and amazing? Proceeding in this manner, what we are going to do again, you need to just take the hair out, get a bow shape pattern in the middle and then secure it further. Isn't it interesting? Thank you guys for watching.